Greetings and welcome. We're taking a look at 2008 question 21 from the NECAP. Back in the day, 0.2 points on average were scored by our students and 0.4 points were scored on average by the states. So looking at this is a line plot. I know it's a line plot because they're using symbols or some sort of visual cue, icon or something to represent the quantity of the frequency of each of these categories. And also it says a line plot there. So it says when 3 additional students' ages are included in the data, the mode changes. All right, so the mode is the most frequently occurring number, right? So mode, I think most. And but the median age remains the same. Median is the middle number, like the middle of a road median. So one changes, the other doesn't. What could the ages of the what could be the ages of the 3 additional students? Be sure to list the 3 ages, explaining the reasoning. So, what is the current mode in our data? 33 is the mode, and I know that because, right, it has the greatest stack, right? It's taller than the rest, so the most of the students are 33 years old. What is the median of my current list of data? It's 32. Well, let's figure that out. Now, there's a couple ways we could do it. Sometimes you can just like cross one off there, cross one off there, cross one off there, cross one off there, and go back and forth until you land in the middle. I did, and that's what always happens. The other way you can do it kind of is find out how many there are. So 2, 3, 4, 8, 10, 12, 17, 19, 21, and 22. So there's 22 total, right? So the middle student is going to be 11. Is that right? Or is it going to be 11, between 11 and 12? Which is it going to be? Yeah, I think it's going to be between 11 and 12, if I counted correctly. So if I just find the student that's between the 11th and 12th, I should be good. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. So yeah, currently the median would be the midpoint between those two. All right. So now let's talk about adding our students. So it said the mode changes. So that means that the mode has to end up being greater than this stack, because I can't, like, it's not like we killed off a couple of those students and then, or I guess less morbid, it's not like these 2 students got older suddenly and now, like, they're 34 years old. I suppose that's a possibility, but so the only way I can, using only 3 students, get a new mode, I'm going to have to add to my second highest stack here, enough to the point that I can get it to surpass that one. Because in fact, if it ends up being the same height, this ends up being bimodal, where it's a tie between 2 modes. So 2 of the students would have to be there. But now the question is, what would that have done to my median? And what could I do to get it back, since it says that the median age remains the same? So let's see, if I added 2 medians to the, or 2 ages to the left side of my median, that would have made it this, and then I think it would have been the midpoint, but I think 31.5 would have been the new median after adding those 2. So how can I get it back to 32? Would it work if I added it to 32? Actually, I'm wondering. I think it would, right? This wouldn't. This, if it's 32 exactly, this would have ended up being my new median, I believe. So I think it could be 32 or any age greater than that, right? So it could have been like, 100-year-old became a doctor. or trying to be. So yeah, I think the third age. So I would say that the ages are 30, 30, and any age greater than or equal greater than or equal to 32 would end up working in order to keep the median the same. So there we go, friends. Not too bad. We're going to talk about some of these concepts today. It's going to be good. So have a great one. Bye-bye.